Hello from Singapore. Today I'm at the Bugis area. I'm going to explore the Malaysia of Singapore. So what do I mean by that? Join me for this little tour. Let's go. We are approaching the area street right now, and there's a famous prominent Sultan Mosque right in front. You can hear the chanting right now. It's 7:10 p.m. 10 minutes past 7 p.m. It's just sunset time. There's some restaurants over here. Into the mosque right now. Mosque is Sultan Singapore. Instantly you feel peaceful. Actually I'm walking from the other gate. This place is a famous tourist attraction even for the foreigners, the even groups right here, tour groups. Oh no, look at that. Also Turkish restaurant at this area. I counted at least 12, 20. Along the Muscat Street, just a few meters away from the mosque. And right here there's a kind of cat cafe and laboratory for the pharmacies. Oh wow, they closed one late, quite late, no, about 11 p.m. Play with the cats and even the Japanese has room right here. Look at that, man. Nice souvenirs. That's a Malayan, by the way. Singapore Airlines. Wow.